Hey, what's up? Welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Firdaus Sahel. In this video with Google Chrome browser, we're going to right click on the tab, what options is going to show up and how we can use it. Here we have this tab, and if I right click, the first option, create a new tab to the right. And if I click again, I can just get this option, which I can just click to create a new tab in the right. Next, I can add a tab to reading list. Where you can find the reading list right here. I can just click on reading mode. Next here, I can add tab to new group. Let's close this for now. Add tab to the new group. If you click, you can give it a name, this group, and you can add any tab to this group. Next, I can move tab to new window. Just click. So it's going to move it to a new window. You can move tab to another window as well from here to new window or a new tab and one other tab right here. Next, I can just right click to reload, or I can just reload my page from here as well. And also I can use the shortcut Ctrl+R. To create a duplicate copy of your tab, simple, you can right click and click on duplicate. And if I want to pin my tab here with my browser, simple, I can just right click and click on pin. Now it is pinned right here. I can just right click and I can unpin this. And if I want to mute a tab, just right click and you can mute this side. Here we have this option, close. Ctrl+W is the shortcut. I can just click to close the tab. And also if I right click here, I can close other tabs as well, or I can close tabs to the right. Just click. It's going to open it's going to close, not open, the tabs in the right side. So this is how we can use these options when you right click on the tab with Google Chrome browser. I hope you guys enjoyed and learned, and if you have any question, please let me know in the comment box of this video. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon as well, so you get notified about our latest uploads in our channel. So see you guys in the next video.